get into it, guys. What are we looking at? What do you think? Projection?
That's a project. They got to be though. If it's those things all over the place, then they're projecting something. That they got one light that's white and it stays white, and then the other light is blinking green.
Mm.
And so who knows what the fuck those lights on the craft are doing at a distance, what kind of image, and then once it just gets close enough to you, you can't really disperse the light enough to make the image, just the way that light works.
Yeah, like, I think that it's because cameras are made based on the human eye, right? So, I think that whatever they make that it's holographic, if it can trick the camera, it can trick your eye. So, when it's far away, like Deezy's saying, like, you can't you can't make it out, so you just see it as flashing lights. But as it gets close, the thing happens, and it tricks your brain or your eyes the same way it would trick a camera.
I'm thinking the opposite way, that the farther away it is, the harder to see what it is. It obfuscates it through light. You're seeing the light around it and not the craft. But when it gets close enough to you, the light cannot create the image that they're trying to do from a distance. So when it's up in the sky and far away, it's harder to see what it is, and the light covers what it is more. And then when it gets closer, especially when it's flying right overhead, you can actually see it.
Oh, so you think it actually is a plane flying with something on it to make a hologram
Correct.
or make the light, whatever.
Yeah, but then when it's close enough, the hologram doesn't work. It only works at a distance.
Yeah, I think the opposite. So I think when you're seeing it from far, the reason you're seeing it as flashing light is because it's not close enough for your eyes to get tricked yet. And then when it's close enough, you don't see it as a flashing light because it tricks your eyes into seeing a plane or whatever they want it to see.
Yeah, because that one video from and we'll drop it in, but that one video from the news, there's a newscast in New Jersey, and literally, and this is in broad daylight, and they literally saw, they look at the sky, and it looks like a plasma ball with like one of those, those old like 80s like globes where you have the light inside, and then that's what it looks like to me. Like,
And if you touch it, the static ball or whatever, right? You touch it and the electrical hit go to your finger.
yeah, yeah, that's what it looks like when you look at it on their camera. So like, I either it's a portal.
That's a Tesla tower, by the way. That's what that is.
It is a Tesla tower in a ball. Yep,
Oh shit.
that makes sense.
Ooh, never thought about that.
So are those flying Tesla towers?
Right. Man, there's so many implications of that.